hell's going on? I know, kitten. I know. I know you want to play with it. Mommy's trying to get it fixed for you. Trying to get it fixed for you, kitten. Trying the hardest. I'm just organising. I'll show some for you in a second.